Nakita nyo ba? Nagpe-present na ako, guys.
Yes, sir.
Nakita nyo na yung screen. Ayun nga, ayun. I-minimize ko to. If your videos are on, yung mga avatar nyo sa people, sa right side, mga avatar lang, hindi siya video. Kaya dapat naka-minimize talaga. So, yun. Ay, kasi, ayan, dapat ganyan. At least I can see some of you, if not all, I can see some of you in the right side of my screen. Hindi pwedeng naka-maximize yung Google Meet and I will present. Parang kinakausap ko lang yung sarili ko. So, kaya ganyan. So, okay lang na ganyang kalit yung screen na nakikita nyo? Lumit ba siya from before or malaki pa rin?
Sir, pwede i-zoom.
Oo nga, pwede zoom. Kaso matatakpan yung right side ng window na nandun yung nandun nakikita ko yung mga videos ng present, some of the videos. Halimbawa ito, tell me what's happening. Kapag nilakihan ko, lumalaki siya. Lumalaki ba pag nire-resize ko? Lumalaki.
Yes, sir.
Pero hindi ko na nakikita yung videos ng present, ng participants. Parang mangyayari, kausap ko lang sarili ko. And I'm not comfortable na ganun. Gusto ko, nakikita ko pa rin yung participants. Kayo. Okay ba yan, guys? So now, sa first page, nakikita nyo sa first page. Ewan ko lang, kung kita nyo, maliit. Maliit ba? If you're using desktop screen. Robby, may error ka. Yes, Robby?
Sir?
May may background noise.
Wala naman, sir.
Talino talaga ng internet. Ibig sabihin, mute ka muna. Yan. Ganyan mga internet. Now, look guys, gusto ko malaman kung nakikita niyo yung screen. In-screen clip ko lang yung table of differential rules and formulas. So, syempre, naka-screen clip yan. So, maliit talaga. Pero nababasa ba? Okay, kung nababasa, good. Kung hindi, I already requested na you have a copy with you of all the rules and formulas. Kasi hindi na natin babalikan yan. Parang I'm assuming that you already know this already. So if you have a copy with you, then you can readily answer. Pag nagtanong ako, anong rule nito, anong formula nito. Next slide would be table of integrals. So nakita yan? So it's a bigger clip. So I guess kita siya. Can you see the basic forms? Okay, good. You can reply. Tapos off nyo na lang yung mic nyo kapag tapos nyo mag-reply. So the forms are all listed there. Basic forms, no? Pag sinabing basic forms, yung nakuha yung mga rules na yan using the differentiation rule and yung kabaligtaran lang ng differentiation rule and integration by substitution. Your very first technique na sinimulan na natin last time. I will highlight one. Kukuha ko ng isa. Kokopyahin ko, susulat ko. Like, example, si tangent. So the integral of yung tangent. Yun. Ako, hindi ko rin kabisado. Pero sabi ko nga, have a copy ready, no? Yun. ln sec. So, integral of tan u du is ln of absolute value. Old school kasi yung absolute value, pero kapahin ko na rin. Second u plus c. So, there. I'll use this one. Pag sinabing basic forms, yun yung ibig ko sabihin. Pag sinabing basic form, the integral yung formula, either it's obtained directly from the differentiation rule or it's obtained using the technique of substitution. Kapag hindi na ginamitan ng substitution, it's no longer a basic form. It's a derived form na. So let's study this, guys. Using the technique of substitution, kung ba't naging ganyan. So, pantay ko lang. So, there. Una, wag muna natin siyang gawing u. Kasi pag ginawang u, you know that u is a function of x in calculus. Kaya, laging may du because of the chain rule. You recall that? Integral tan u du. So, babalik ko lang muna sa x, sa tan x dx, para lang, and then we will generalize it into a u later. Now, integral tan x can be written, that tan x can be written as sin x over cosine x dx. Tama? Now, using your substitution, ang iu natin, yung ilalim, yung cosine. Right? O what's next after this representation ng u? Automatic, punta sa du. And what is du? So, derivative ng cosine, guys. Ano ang derivative ng cosine? Pwede mag-chat, pwede magsalita. I-off lang uli yung mic. Kasi pag nag-chat pa kayo, pupunta pa sa chat to read your response. You can turn on your mic and say the rule. Go.
Next sin x, sir.
Sin x dx.
Again, Patrick.
Negative sin x dx.
Yes, negative sin x dx. Okay, good. Now, if you see, using the substitution, yung u, cosine x, so u na yung ilalim. That sin x dx, ito na yun, di ba? Ayan na siya. Sin x dx. So, mapapalitan siya na that sin x dx is now, I'll put the negative in the other side. So, du, right? Negative du. Kaya mangyari, negative du, but the negative is a constant. You know, it's negative 1. I'll put it outside. Ganyan lang. Tama ba? And, ano ang integral ng du over u? It's an integrable form. When say an integrable form, a basic form, it's listed. Okay? Sabi ko nga, I encourage chatting. Turn on your mic. Response to my question and just turn off again your mic. What is integral du over u, guys?
ln u.
ln u.
ln u, sir.
So that's negative ln u. Tama sila ba? Okay, good. Now, pwede nang maglagay ng plus c, pero my practice is I usually write it at the last step, as the last step. Kasi babalik ko pa yung substitution ko. My substitution is u is cosine x, so babalik ko si cosine. There. And then, plus c. Okay na to actually, no? Pero as you can see, the form is second. Paano kaya nangyari yun?
Pwede gawing exponent yung negative.
Yes, property of your logarithm, the negative can be used as an exponent to the negative 1, right? And then plus c. So final would be ln. The reciprocal of cosine is second x plus c. Then old school, guys, old school, pag mga lumang libro, sino si Kato Kito? Do you know, guys, Kato Kito? Hi, Kato Kito, sino ka? Kito. Ano? May absolute value. So pag generalize lang natin, instead of writing it with an x, balik lang natin sa u. Kaya ln sec u plus c. Are we good, guys, sa basic form na to? Almost, sabi ko nga, lahat ng basic form na-derive siya using either substitution or simply a direct reverse of the differentiation rule. Okay, now, punta ako sa isa pang example. I'll be using integral number. I want you to look at integral number number 10. Integral number 10. Welcome, Ninyo. So I'll be copying integral number 10. So that's integral secant u tan u du is equal to secant u plus c. Now look. Saan galing yung integrable form na yan, yung basic form na yan? E di sa derivative, ano ba yung derivative ng secant? Ano yung derivative ng secant? Sec u tan u du. Right, guys? Diba? If we go do the differentiation rules, eto siya, highlight ko siya. Derivative ng secant, eto siya. Kung nakikita yan. Kita ba, guys?
Yes, sir.
O, di ba? Yan. So, ang nangyari, to get that integrable form, simply binaliktad lang. You get the integral of both sides. Integral of both sides. Look. Ito, basically, ito na yung left side, right? Right? Now, what will happen to the integral of the derivative? So, kabaligtaran. Ano yung integral ng derivative? The operations will just undo each other, pero magkakaroon ng plus c. Are we clear? O, di ba? Ganun lang simple. So, ibig sabihin, kung bawal kayong paggawan yung paggamitan ng mga table of formulas and table of integrals. Pero ako, hindi ako ganun eh. Para sa akin, bibigay ko yan. Bibigay ko lahat ng formulas. It's up to you if you know how to use them. Pero may mga prop na halimbawa, may encounter kayo sa college, iba-iba yan, no? Iba-ibang school. Meron na, wala, bawal ang formulas. Just know that some of these forms are simply kabaliktaran lang ng rules. Okay ba guys? Baliktad lang. And most of the forms ay na-derive using the integration technique of substitution na hanggang dyan lang yung tinuro sa senior high school. Okay? Now, tell me bakit alam ko na hanggang dyan lang yung curriculum ng senior high school sa substitution. Kasi nandun ako nung pinag-uusapan yan. Ayaw na nilang lagyan ng ibang techniques. Para na daw masyadong mawawala na ng trabaho yung magtuturo ng college calculus. Do you get me, guys? Kaya hanggang dyan lang. And, experience naman natin, pagdating ng calculus sa senior high, hindi nga natatapos yung curriculum. Namamadali na yung dulo. Kaya, this is the goal of my chip sessions for you guys, advanced calculus sessions. Now, imagine this only the July 6th. And your schedule is what? Monday and Thursday. And we will be running until August 24. So, excited ako maturo lahat. Pati yung mga advanced na sa inyo. Kasi hindi ko natuturo sa normal na klase. Okay, now, let's have one more. Let's have one more from the rules. This time, medyo i-advance natin. I want you to dig deeper to your stock of knowledge. Kasi kailangan yun. You'll see why they're important. Ang gagawin ko ay the integrable form number, saan kaya dito yung maganda? 17. Na integrable form number 17. See that, guys? Integral d over a squared plus c squared is 1 over a tan inverse u over a plus c. So medyo ano na yan, no? Higher na, no? Tanggal. Ayan. Pero ayan, nakuha ba? Susulat ko siya, no? Susulat ko na mas maganda. Integral du over a squared plus u squared equals 1 over a tan inverse, or you know this is the same as arc tan u over a plus c. Nakuha ba, guys? So buburahin ko na yung integral na to, yung table. and this box. So pakita muna natin paano ba nagagamit to kasi you'll be encountering forms like this lalo na pagpunta natin sa susunod na integration technique. Siguro next session simulan ko na yun. Look, example, dx over x squared plus 9. Guys, tell me, sino si A? Or what is A? In that, using the form, identify what is A sa binigay kong integral. May nag-chat-chat kaso hindi ko nababasa. Sabi ko nga, encourage you to just si Sarasa pala si Kido. Kaya nabasa ko na. Si Gomez, si Gomez, nandito ba si Gomez? Wala. Okay, go guys. Ayun, mas maganda pala kung nakagantong view. I can see more of you. I can see 16 of you in the screen. In the right side of my screen. Apla, turn your video. Laba, turn your video para maganda. Robbie, Rain, and Villamil, and Sid, turn your videos on. Yan, mas maganda. And then tingnan ko, lalaroin ko rin if I can minimize a window para mas madami mag-appear. Okay, at least sa screen ko lahat na naka-bid on except kay Robbie kasi nadidistract ako. Intermed eh. Joke lang, Robbie. Turn your video on. Back. Okay, guys. Dito, si U squared, si A squared.
9, sir.
9. Ang ibig sabihin, if you know the form, you can get the integral just by simply applying the form. So that would be 1/3 tan inverse or arctan. Your U is obviously x squared because the differentiable variable is U. So magiging x over 3 plus C. That's it. Tapos na yung integral problem na yan. Because you have the form. Nakuha ba yun? Most of the time, if you have the form, simply apply the form and then tapos na yung integral. But in pangit, no? Kulang, parang walang math na nangyari. Walang isip na nangyari. So, i-derive ko to. Pero I will, di ba, naka-generalize to, no? Ang gagawin ko is I will simplify everything. I'll let A be 1, U be X. So, meaning, ang integrate ko is the integral dx over what? 1 plus x squared. And equal siya sa 1 over A. Since I simplified this problem into A is 1, this is just arctan. Let me write it as arctan, masanay ako eh. Then U over A, that's X lang, plus C. Tama ba guys? Yan ang gagamitin natin, yan ang gagawin nating problem. So now, paano naging integral ng dx over 1 plus x squared ay arctan. Okay? So para siyang number 2. Para siyang example na to. If you know get the derivative, baliktarin mo lang yung operation, you get the integrable form. You get the formula. That's the idea. So punta tayo dito. Yun ang gagawin ko. You can see, pinokopya ko lang yung mga pages. This is page 3, this is page 4. Makita yun, ganyan siya. And I'll focus on finding this, how this integrable form came about. Ayan, buburahin ko itong part na to, dito ko lalagay solution. Now guys, I hope you still recall your method of implicit differentiation. Naalala pa ba yun? Naalala pa? Sige nga, i-highlight na on the spot natin si Matthew. Matthew, tell me the derivative implicitly of this equation. Sige, kung may gustong tumulong kay Matthew, mukhang kaya naman ni Matthew. Go ahead, Matthew.
Hindi ko na naalala.
O, hindi na. Sino yung mga nakakaalala? Oh, guys, help Matthew. Derivative of x?
Wow.
1. Derivative of
dy
prime. Di ba, whenever you get
2y prime.
y is the dependent variable. How about the right side?
2y
Y prime. Alala ba?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you differentiate a term na merong y, dapat may y prime. Sige, one more. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Tinanong ako ni Hapla last time, nagulat siya, bakit integral daw agad? Ba't hindi dumaan sa limits? Ganyan. So whenever there is a need to explain a concept, we'll explain like this one. Diba yun, guys? Example, xy equals y cubed. What's the derivative? Left side, guys. Oh, since ninyo naka-on na kanina pa, go ninyo. Naka-mic on na si okay, go ahead. Ninyo.
Product rule muna, sir.
Yes. Pwede mo nang sabihin sa akin kung ano yung derivative. Tama ba yung background ng avatar ninyo? Nasa dagat ka ba? Parang may umiihip na malakas na hangin. Mute mo na lang sarili mo mamaya ninyo after you
Sorry, sir.
okay, go. Ninyo, I'm waiting. Si Dian na nga si Dian. Hi Dian, nandito ka ba Dian? Can you turn your mic on and recite the implicit differentiation of the equation? Dian. Mayayain talaga si Dian, di niya kasi kayo kabatch. Sige, apply, ikaw na lang, apply.
xy prime
Patay tayo dyan.
plus
X
y. xy prime plus y.
plus Y.
Diba?
Equals
Equals y prime.
tama ba? Okay, now look. Ang arctan is
xy prime.
hindi. X, Y prime.
Tama.
Tama? Copy X, derivative of Y, Y prime. Plus copy Y, derivative of X, 1. Okay na to. May question ba dyan?
No, sir.
Arctan X is, gawin natin siyang function, Y equals arctan X. Parang logarithm lang din yan eh. Y is log X. Can you solve for the inverse? Or can you solve for the inverse of a logarithm? Halimbawa, what I mean is this. You know what? I know you can. Halimbawa, y equals 2 to the x. Parang ganyan. Sige nga, can you solve for x in terms of y? Without using the logarithm? Oh, Rain. Ito maganda i-highlight si Rain. Rain, can you solve for x in terms of y without having to use the logarithm symbol?
Sipin natin, sir.
Sige, I'll give you 30 seconds. Or more appropriate, if I will give you this relationship. Yan. Hindi, tama. Yan nga yung una. Yan. Ito yung una. Not this. Can you solve for x in terms of y? Diba hindi?
Hindi.
Precisely that's why the logarithm symbol was invented to denote the relationship between the inverse of the exponential function. Kaya nga, inimbento yun eh, para magkaroon ng relationship. So, ganun din to. Ganun din ang arctan. So, meaning you cannot. But what we can do is get the equivalent relationship of this. And what's that? That means the tangent of y is x. Do you agree? Now, same as yung dalawang example na tinanong ko, let's get the derivative of both sides of the equation implicitly. So, ano yung derivative ng x? Okay, 1. May mga nagtuturo. 1. What about derivative of tangent y? What's the derivative of tangent y? So, sabi ko, have your rules ready, no? So, you can...
Second squared y prime.
Bakit sobra-sobra y mo? Second squared y prime.
Y prime. Tama.
Now, remember here, we are solving for y prime. Yun ang goal natin. Ayan na, napalabas na natin yung y prime. From the equivalent relationship ng y arc tan x being tan y is x, right? So, what is y prime, guys? 1 over second squared y. And ayusin na natin. What is y prime? Cosine squared y. Bakit naging cosine? Reciprocal of second. Tama ba? Now, huwag natin i-confuse yung mga definitions ng trigo functions natin. What is sine theta? Y over r. Cosine theta? X over r. Tangent theta? Y over x. Tama ba? Pero hindi ko gagamitin yung y na y over r as small y kasi mako-confuse with the y that we have here. Clear ba yun? Now look, tan y is x. At alam natin ang tangent is y over r. Not the y here, but y over r. So lagawin kong capital Y, tapos over 1 yan, di ba? X over 1. X is x over 1. And yung ilalim, yan yung ilalim. Remember, tangent is y over r. Pero hindi ko nga gagamitin yung small y, baka kasi ma-confuse. Kaya capital Y. Are we clear? So now yung tangent, y over x. Very good, Japan. Y over x. So this is capital X. So hindi ko gagamitin yung small x. Tangent is what? Parang dinefine natin yung trigo functions before as ratio of coordinates, di ba? Yung mga ganyan. Pero pag ginamit ko kasi yung small y na yan, baka maikalito sa small y na to. That's why I'm using capital letters. Can you follow, guys? Do you follow my adjustment on that para hindi kalito? Okay ba?
Yes, sir.
What we need is cosine. And we know that it's being squared. We know it's being squared. Kaya ang gagawin ko ay quantity cosine squared. Okay? And ganito ko susulat siya. Yung cosine nalagay ko dyan and squared. Right? Knowing that cosine y is capital X over r. You follow? Capital X over r. Capital Y small x. Capital X is 1. The relationship in the trigo that we know, o nga pala, pwede ko na palang burahin to, nagtitipid ako ng space. Pwede ko na palang burahin to, example lang pala to kanina ng implicit. Ayan, okay. Ayan, malaki na yung space natin. What's the relationship between X, Y, R, and intrigo? In this case, I'm representing them as capital letters to avoid confusion. Guys, go. Capital X squared plus capital Y squared equals capital R squared. Right? What's our goal? Capital X over R, which we will put here. Follow? Now, sino si capital X? 1. 1 squared. Sino si capital Y? Small x. X squared. And that is capital R squared. Follow? So what is capital R? Square root of 1 plus x squared. So yun ang lalagay natin dito. Ayan o, capital R. Can you see that, guys? Nasusundan ba yung kaganapan? Ayan o, yung capital R na yan. Lalagay na natin dito sa ilalim. Which, we just obtained it, and it's equal to square root of 1 plus x squared. Okay, ano yung lalagay ko sa taas? Capital X. And what is capital X? Again, what is capital X? 1. Or may mga naggaganon. So, tama. And can you square this? 1 over square root of 1 plus capital X squared? What's that? Small x squared na pala yan. No? Small na. So, meaning y prime, or the derivative, or lalagay ko, or the derivative of arc tan x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared. Can you follow, guys? Now, what will happen if I will get, knowing that the derivative and the integral are inverse process of each other, let's integrate both sides. So, para maging tama yung format, may dx doon. So, what is integral 1 over 1 plus x squared dx? The integral of d over dx arc tan x. What will happen to the two processes, the integral of the derivative? They will undo each other. So this is what you will get. Pero of course, magkakaroon ka ng plus c. Look at this formula right here. Integral of dx over 1 plus x squared is arc tan x plus c. Nakuha ba yan? Generalize lang yung formula so that you can get that number 17. Magkakaroon na ng a. Remember that a is a constant. A is a constant. Kaya it won't affect the form. So the form is tan inverse pa rin, arc tan pa rin. A squared plus u squared pa rin. So sinimplify ko lang yung derivation ko. Okay? Can you follow, guys? Kasi we need this form. Ang dali na nung binigay kong example sa kanya, no? What if you integrate this? Identify mo lang sinus A, sinus U, then done. Tapos na. Pero saan galing yan? Yun ang gusto kong mas mahalagang huwag niyong kalimutan. And mga previous examples. Now, practice. Hindi pa tayo umaalis sa integration by substitution, guys. Wala pa. Actually, yun ang pinakabago sigurong na-witness nyo. Yung integral yielding an inverse trigonometric function. Tama ba? Tama? So as an exercise, sige nga, gawin natin. Huwag muna tayong umalis sa substitution technique. May mga pin-repair ako. Ito yung spillover from last time, hindi natin nasagot. Meron bang nag-attempt magsagot niyan from last time? Sige, you try it. That's a simple integral. Go, guys. Okay, may sagot na si Kurt. Maganda sana kung may private chat dito, no? Yung privately chat nyo sa akin yung sagot nyo para makita ko lang kung tama o hindi. Hindi yung nakikita ng lahat. Send the message to everyone. Walang private chat ba to? Can you privately chat me? Kaya ba? Wala sa meet. Sa Messenger. Gawain mo yun, apply. Sa Messenger, ang daming open na ka-chat eh. Sa Zoom, yes. Oo, meron yan. See. May chat na privately. Yun, okay na? Meron na ba? May progress na ba yung integral nyo? Okay, solve ko na, no? So, una muna guys, it would be easy if you expand. Just expand. Actually, wala kang technique na kailangan dito eh. Ayan, ganyan. And what is tan times cotangent? They are reciprocals. Cancel yan. So, mangyayari, integral of tan squared plus 1 plus cot squared. And important property ng integral, pwede mong pag-iwahiwalayan, di ba? Ganyan. Pwedeng iwahiwalay. 1 dx. So, syempre, alam na natin integral ng 1 dx, x. O plus c. Dulo. Tama ba? Kasundan to? Ano? What is integral tan squared?
Sir, plus 2 plus integral of 2 dx.
Hindi, may 2 kasi dyan sa labas. Kaya 2x yun. You know, one property of the integral, if you have a constant, you can put it outside. So 2 is outside. Hindi lang nagpakita agad Blay. Ikaw ha? Kala mo ha? So yun. Yung integral ng tan squared is number, actually number ano siya? Number, wala. Wala si tan squared. Ay, hindi na daw siya magsasalita. Sorry. Ano? Wala si tan squared. So, ibig sabihin, mali yung una kong inisip. Pero may naisip pa uli. Ganun lang yun eh. Actually, naisip ko siya na mali yung ginawa ko dahil meron ako nakita rito. Ang meron tayo, integral ng second squared. Na? Look, I'll highlight it, guys. Integral ng secant squared at integral ng cosecant squared. Ako ba yun? Sige, pakidictate sa akin tong dalawang to, susulat ko sa screen natin active. So, pakikabisado, integral secant squared, tan u, integral cosecant squared, negative cot u. Yan. Thank you, Blay, ha. Baka sabi mo, naaway kita. Saan na yung screen ko? Ayun. Okay, now, hindi ko muna gagawin to. Hindi ko iiwalay. Gagawin ko muna siyang yung 2 na yun, idadagdag ko rito. Okay, pangit. Idadagdag ko dito. Para siyang 1 plus cot squared. Ayan, ganun. Gets ba yung 2 kanina nandito? Ihiwalay ko 1 plus tan squared. Di ba may plus 2? May 1 plus 1 plus 2. Nakuha ba yan? And what is 1 plus tan squared? What is 1 plus tan squared? Yan tayo eh. What is 1 plus cot squared? Yan tayo. Yan na yung laging nakakalimutan yung trigon na ano ba yung mother identity? Andito ba si Gwen? Gwen? Paano kunin yung ibang identities from the mother identity? What do I need to do? Bye-bye. So, divide by?
Cosine squared.
Oo. All-thirds daw muna. All-thirds. Hindi ko nasusulat. Just tell me, what is cos squared over cos squared?
1.
You're still in the microphone, Gwen. 1. What is sine squared plus cos squared?
Tan
Squared. So divide to yun, 1 plus tan squared, and it's equal to the right side, which is secant squared. Plus, ganun din gagawin natin sa kabila, but this time we'll be dividing it by a different term. Anong di-divide natin term para malala yung ibang identity from the mother to?
sine
Sine naman daw, sabi.
x.
And tell me what will result if we do this. What is sine squared over sine squared?
1.
Ito yun. Cos squared over sine squared?
Cotangent
Squared. Which, meaning that integral is simply 1 over sine squared, which is cos squared x dx. You follow, guys? And that sec squared and cosecant squared is in our integrable form. Yun naka-check. Integral sec squared is tan. Integral cos squared is negative cot. So, babalik ko lang. Ano ulit ito? Tan. And it plus negative, so minus. This is cotangent. Then, don't forget the plus c. So, there. Okay, nakuha ba, guys? So, walang ginamit na technique. Simply gumamit lang ng form, ng basic form, at gumamit ng konting trigo identities. Ayun, yun guys. Let this day be our last of the technique of substitution. Okay lang ba yun? Ang gagawin natin next meeting, another technique na. Either way, mababalikan at mababalikan pa rin yung substitution sa mga ibang techniques. Eh. Okay? So let's pick a problem, 4 yun nandyan. The remaining 3 for practice nyo. So yung gagawin natin our next meeting, yung matitira, check ko lang. Okay? Any of these 4, yun ang last example natin for the day. So we're nearing 1 hour na rin. At you know, hindi ako sanay magturo ng 1 hour, pang 30 minutes lang ang ano natin, ang powers.
Madami.
Okay, Gwen.
Gwen, bukas pa mic mo.
Ayan, pinapamute ka na ni Fly. Go guys, can you tell me what number? Guys, senyas lang sa kamay, at least yung mga nasa screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nathan, sabi 2. Yancy, 1. O sige, 1. O, 4. Si Yapan, 5. Bly, 2. Sa dalawa na yung 2. So, gusto na ng Trigo. 2. Arrow, 2. So, good. O, di majority na yon in a span of 30 seconds. So, let's pick. So, the remaining 3, you have to answer it practice. So, babalikan natin yan in our next meeting. At least, I'll just give the answer. Kung tama naman, okay. Kung hindi, if you want to explain yung hindi nyo mag-get sa matitilang tatlo, okay, I'll explain. So, anyway, yung 2 ang explain ko. So, meaning, yan yung may iwan na practice nyo. Guys, can you see my presentation? Naka-slide number siya. Nakikita nyo naman sa screen, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, naka-slide number. Yapan, binibigyan mo ba sila ng copy ng ano natin? And the more important question is, can you open the file? Can you open the file, guys? Kasi for you to open the file, kailangan mag-download ng app, yung Mimeo app. Okay, Yapan can take care of that details sa Discord. Okay ba, Yapan? Yapan will take care of the details paano mag-download ng app. So, pag na-download yung app, exactly makikita nyo what transpired in our online session, lahat ng mga nangyari. Ayan. Okay ba? Parang yun na yung ating notes or printed copy ng aking lecture for the day. So, as again, I will leave this problem si number 2. Buti na lang, ito pinili nyo dahil ang dali niya. Because, what x, kakasagot lang ni Gwen kanina, second squared is actually, ano yung second squared? Tan. 1 plus tan squared equals second squared. So, 1 plus tan squared. Then over 1 plus cot dx. Oo nga pala, I should be asking you to solve this. Pero sinisimulan ko na. Pero sige, go. May sagot na si Yancy. Panis. So guys, may sagot na si Yancy, no? Nakakain ni Yancy sa lahat. Hindi ko lang alam kung tama. Pero at least nauna si Yancy sumagot. Si John Patrick, meron na rin. Okay guys, ano ang first step? Sa nagpaikot-ikot, ano ang unang step na gagawin?
Sir, yung ginawa ko, sir, minultiply ko yung numerator tsaka denominator sa tan x.
Okay? And your goal is to make it sec squared over tan plus 1.
Plus 1, dx.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Galing. Now, yung ginawa ni Patrick, tinimes niya yung numerator and denominator by tangent. Like that. Then dx. So, obviously, this will cancel out. Ang matitira sa'yo ay second squared x over 1 times tan is tan and then plus 1. So, tama si Yancy. Galing talaga ni Yancy. Nakita yun? And by substitution, guys, I will let you be the denominator. And du comes after, what's the derivative of 1? 0. What's the derivative of tangent? Second squared x dx. See, in the substitution, everything is taken care of. Sec squared dx is du. 1 plus tan x is u. And integral du over u is an integrable form, which is ln u. Right? And Patrick, okay na yung ganyan. Wag mo na gawin in terms of sine and cosine. Pwede na yan. So, ang u natin, si 1 plus tan. So, that becomes ln of 1 plus tan. Okay na to, Patrick. Okay na yan. Wag mo nang i-expand. So, this is good. And that's what Yancy answered. Siguro nag-photomat to si Yancy. De joke lang. Baka Yancy. Okay, guys? Nakuha ba yun? Now, kahit anong hindi natin maiiwasan, ay teka lang, babalik na ako sa parting words na ako eh. Hindi natin maiiwasan ang technique ng substitution. As we progress with higher and higher techniques, pinaka-basic ang substitution. Kumbaga may mga design problems lang ng substitution to make us think for a little longer than other problems. Pero yung technique of substitution, parang yan yung basic algebra that we need for higher algebra in higher techniques. Clear ba yun? So, next meeting, ibang technique na yung gagamitin natin. Integration by parts. So after that, integration by partial fractions. Then integration by miscellaneous substitutions like trigonometric substitutions, maraming klaseng types of substitutions. Okay? And pag natapos na natin yung mga techniques, pupunta na tayo sa application, yung areas and volumes of solids of revolutions. And hopefully, double integration, double integrals. And then, pag natapos na natin yung content ng advanced calculus, yun na yung next, yung request nila ba, which is differential equations. Ang haba ng time natin, guys. Let's study together. This is just July 6. Meron pa tayong ang dami pang meetings until August 24 with your schedule Monday and Thursday. Okay ba, guys? So I wish you will still attend next meeting, be present next meeting. Lower levels, Dian, Gwen, thank you for coming. Meron ding mga incoming grade 12. Si Christine kanina nandyan. Alam ko nandito pa siya. So, yun guys. Thank you so much. See you next Thursday. Batch. Ano ba kayo? Anong batch nyo? Batch ni Japan. Batch ng intermed na si Laurio. Okay guys? Sige, that's it. Good day. Bye-bye.